Okay, here we are at 2102 North Bronson Avenue in Los Angeles, 90068. Running the camera from a 4-inch clean out. It's all ABS plastic underneath the house, which we inspected. ABS plastic from the house to the property line. But just heading underneath the sidewalk, the line is blocked. You can see heavy roots. We're going to come back. What we're going to do is we got an okay from the real estate agent to go ahead and hydrojet. You can see the line is blocked. Here are roots, heavy roots. You can see. And then we go to ABS plastic, which all this is good piping coming back. What we're going to do is we're going to bring it back. This is all ABS plastic, all in excellent condition coming back from the property line to the house. We're going to come back up out of this clean out. Just going to show you where we are. Here we are in front of the house. We're going to go ahead, we're going to pause the recording. We're going to hydrojet the line and re-record. Okay, so we cleared the line with the jetter. We got through the root. The line was heavy roots in it. We're at the city sewer. Let's go ahead and bring the camera back. So this is the city. There's your connection to the city. The connection looks good. And then we go to the original clay pipe. You can see the amount of roots that are in the line. I'm just going to bring it back. And you can see the thickness right here coming back. Look at the size of that root. Very heavy root here. What we're going to do is we're just going to bring it back. You can see there's a hole in the pipe at the top there. And another heavy root here. This is coming onto the property now. And then we transition to ABS plastic. So what I want to do is I'm just going to pause it once again. We're going to try to clean out as much as we can. We're going to make another recording. So we're going to pause this here. Okay, so we try to clear the line as best as possible. We're going to recommend to replace the lateral from the property line into the street. Heavy roots. Also, there's a couple of big breaks and holes in the line. We're going to bring it back nice and slow. Now, you can see this was all packed full of roots. We barely got the camera through. You can see there's a piece of pipe as well lodged in the line. Looks like a 2-inch pipe. Maybe when they were doing remodeling, they let it go down the line. But you can see the amount of roots that are in this line. The thickness of the roots. You can see that's probably the size of a thumb. There's our jetter nozzle. You can see the pipe is just to the bottom right portion of your screen. It's dislocated pretty bad. And then coming back, you can see it's thick right there. We got a little bit of cracking. This is going to be the top of the pipe, but it's the bottom of the screen. There's a hole. There's a hole in the pipe right there. So the lateral is in pretty bad shape. You can see more heavy roots here. And then we come back to the ABS plastic, which all this is in good condition coming back. With the pipe in the streets in very poor shape. Definitely recommend changing it. We're just going to bring the camera back. Okay, we're going to come back up out of the clean out. There's the clean out we're running from. Here we are in front of the house once again. So what we're going to do is we're going to recommend to change the pipe in the street. We're going to go ahead and stop the recording here.